Part 5 of the road series aired this line. 20,800 square meters of clearing and grubbing. That number is right. That line is wrong. 20,800 square meters is what you measured. It is not what you get paid for. DPWH pays clearing and grubbing by the hectare. 2.08 hectares. 11 videos managed this 50 million peso contract. Nobody ever showed you where the 50 million came from. That starts now. A bill of quantities has 6 columns. Pay item number. Description. Unit. Quantity. Unit price. Amount. Only 2 of those 6 are yours to compute. Quantity, which is this series. And unit price, which is the DUPA video. The other 4 are prescribed for you. The pay item number comes from a department order. The description and the unit come from the standard specifications. The amount is arithmetic. So when someone tells you estimating is multiplication, they are talking about 1 column out of 6. And the bottom right cell is locked. 50 million pesos. Pay item numbers are not spreadsheet convention. They are prescribed so that every project in the country reads the same. And the list gets revised. Department Order 143, Series 2017. Then 35, Series 2018. The one in force now is Department Order 60, Series 2023. This matters more than it sounds. Items get delisted. Price a project against the wrong list, and your pay item number does not exist. Read the list your project was actually bid under. Every item in the Blue Book is built the same way. What the work is. What the materials must be. How you must build it. Then 2 clauses almost nobody reads. Method of measurement answers what may be counted, and in what unit. Basis of payment answers what that price is already deemed to include. Item 200, Aggregate Sub-Base Course, word for word. Aggregate sub-base course will be measured by the cubic meter. The quantity to be paid for shall be the design volume compacted in place as shown on the plans, and accepted in the completed course. 3 phrases carry that sentence. Design volume, not what you hauled. Compacted in place, not loose. As shown on the plans, not what you actually placed. Now the one that costs contractors money. A question first. You cut 4,000 cubic meters. 3,000 is good material, and you use it as fill. 1,000 is surplus, and you haul it away. How many cubic meters go in the bill of quantities? Item 102, Method of measurement. The cost of excavation of material which is incorporated in the works, or in other areas of fill, shall be deemed to be included in the items of work where the material is used. So if the earth stays on your project, excavation is not a pay item. It is already inside embankment. Item 104 says it from the other side. Material used in embankment is paid under embankment, and that payment is deemed to include excavating, hauling, and stockpiling. Now look at every pay item under 102. Unsuitable excavation. Surplus common. Surplus rock. Surplus unclassified. All 4 are unsuitable or surplus. So here is the answer. 3,000 cubic meters under embankment. 1,000 under surplus common excavation. And 0 under excavation, because there is no such pay item. You are not paid to dig. You are paid to move earth off-site, or to build something out of it. Back to clearing and grubbing. The same physical work has 3 different quantities, and the bill of quantities decides which one applies. Area basis. Hectares, acceptably cleared and grubbed within the limits shown on the plans. Lump sum basis. And the specification is blunt. When the bill of quantities contains a clearing and grubbing lump sum item, no measurement of area will be made. Individual unit basis. Per tree, diameter measured 1.4 meters above the ground, and anything under 150 millimeters is not measured for payment at all. You do not choose which basis applies. You read it. Our road is on area basis. 2.08 hectares. Items 200 and 201 are both cubic meter and both carry the same three words. Design volume, compacted in place. Here is the gap that opens. You are paid for compacted volume. You buy loose volume. The difference is shrinkage and swell, and it comes from laboratory tests, not from a rule of thumb. We are not computing it today. That is episode 4. For our road. 6.7 meters wide, 1,000 meters long, 350 millimeters thick. 2,345 cubic meters. Part 5 said roughly 2,340. Now you know the exact number and why it said roughly. Every basis of payment clause ends the same way. Full compensation for furnishing and placing all materials, including all labor, equipment, tools, and incidentals necessary to complete the work prescribed in this item. Incidentals. That one word absorbs an enormous amount of work. Trial sections. Hauling the material you reused. The land you rented to dump surplus on. None of it has a pay item of its own. So here is the rule that separates a bid that makes money from one that does not. If it has no pay item, it is not free. It is already inside a price you quoted. Back to the road. For weights were published across the series. Concrete pavement, 45%. 22,500,000 pesos. Aggregate subbase, 15%. 7,500,000. Earthworks, 12%. 6 million. Drainage, 12%. 6 million. That is 84% of the contract. Now the honest part. The road series used a simplified 9-item bill of quantities, and it said so. Real DPWH earthworks is not one line. It is items 102, 103, 104 and 105 at minimum. This series expands it and puts it back together. 5 items and 8 million pesos are still blank. Episode 8 closes that blank on exactly 50 million. 3 rules, 1 breath. Read the unit before you compute the quantity. You are not paid to dig. And if it has no pay item, it is already inside one. Next episode. Where 20.8 meters comes from. Carriageway, shoulders, side slopes, right of way. The road cross-section and the clearing width that falls out of it. That is the takeoff, and it starts with a drawing, not a spreadsheet. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.